Hey there! If you're interested in investing in cryptocurrency, there are a few things you need to know before you get started. Cryptocurrency can be an exciting investment opportunity, but it's also highly volatile and risky. In this video, we're going to cover 5 important concepts that every beginner should understand before investing in cryptocurrency. We'll provide actionable steps so that you can apply these concepts to your own investments. Cryptocurrency is volatile. The first concept to understand is that cryptocurrency is highly volatile. Prices can fluctuate wildly in a short period, making it difficult to predict the future value of the currency. Therefore, you should only invest what you can afford to lose. Here are some actionable steps to help you invest responsibly. Define your investment goals. Before you invest in cryptocurrency, you need to define your investment goals. What are you hoping to achieve? Are you looking for short-term gains or long-term growth? Understanding your goals will help you make better investment decisions. Set a budget. Once you've defined your investment goals, you should set a budget. Determine how much money you can afford to invest without risking your financial stability. Invest in stages. It's a good idea to invest in stages rather than all at once. For example, you could invest a certain amount of money each month or quarter. This approach helps you spread the risk and reduce the impact of market volatility. Do your research. The second concept to understand is that you need to do your research before investing in any cryptocurrency. Here are some actionable steps to help you conduct research. Understand the technology. Cryptocurrencies are built on blockchain technology, which can be complex. However, it's essential to understand the technology to make informed investment decisions. Start by reading introductory guides to blockchain and cryptocurrency. Check the market cap. Market capitalization is the total value of a cryptocurrency. Check the market cap of the cryptocurrencies you're interested in and compare them to other cryptocurrencies. Read the white paper. Every cryptocurrency has a white paper, which outlines the project's purpose, goals, and technology. Reading the white paper will give you an understanding of the cryptocurrency's potential. Choose a reputable exchange. The third concept to understand is that the exchange you choose plays a crucial role in your cryptocurrency investment. Here are some actionable steps to help you choose a reputable exchange. Check the reputation. Before you choose an exchange, check its reputation. Look for reviews online and check its security history. Look for security features. Security is crucial when it comes to cryptocurrency exchanges. Look for an exchange that has two-factor authentication and multi-signature support. Check the fees. Cryptocurrency exchanges charge fees for trading and other transactions. Make sure you understand the fees before you choose an exchange. Secure your investment. The fourth concept to understand is that cryptocurrency is vulnerable to hacks and cyber attacks. Here are some actionable steps to help you secure your investment. Use a secure wallet. A cryptocurrency wallet is where you store your coins. Choose a wallet that supports the cryptocurrency you want to invest in and has robust security features such as two-factor authentication and multi-signature support. Don't keep all your coins in one place. Spread your coins across different wallets and exchanges. This approach will minimize the impact of a potential hack or cyber attack. Diversify your portfolio. Diversification is one of the ways to minimize risk in cryptocurrency investment. Invest in different cryptocurrencies and spread your investment across various sectors to reduce the impact of market volatility. In conclusion, investing in cryptocurrency requires patience, research, and knowledge. By following these actionable steps, you can minimize the risk and maximize your chances of success. Remember to only invest what you can afford to lose and always stay updated with the latest news and trends. Good luck on your investment journey. Thank you for watching. We hope that you found this video informative and helpful in understanding the key concepts to consider before investing in cryptocurrency. And if you found this video useful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family who might be interested in investing in cryptocurrency. Your support motivates us to create more informative content that can help you make informed investment decisions. Thank you again for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.